I work at a hotel near the city center every day. I work at a hotel near the city center every day. I usually check in guests at the front desk in the morning. I usually check in guests at the front desk in the morning. He answers phone calls and helps customers with their requests. He answers phone calls and helps customers with their requests. I wear a uniform while working at the hotel reception. I wear a uniform while working at the hotel reception. He often deals with difficult guests in a calm way. He often deals with difficult guests in a calm way. I help guests carry their luggage to their rooms. I help guests carry their luggage to their rooms.
He works long hours but enjoys meeting new people. He works long hours but enjoys meeting new people.
I sometimes work the night shift at the hotel. I sometimes work the night shift at the hotel. He checks the reservation system every morning carefully. He checks the reservation system every morning carefully. I always try to provide the best service to guests. I always try to provide the best service to guests. He speaks English with international visitors every day. He speaks English with international visitors every day.
I solve problems quickly when guests have complaints. I solve problems quickly when guests have complaints.
He is responsible for checking out guests at noon. He is responsible for checking out guests at noon. I make sure that all guests feel comfortable during their stay. I make sure that all guests feel comfortable during their stay. He often recommends local restaurants to tourists. He often recommends local restaurants to tourists. I handle payments and issue receipts at the front desk. I handle payments and issue receipts at the front desk. He keeps the reception area clean and organized. He keeps the reception area clean and organized. I learn new skills while working in the hotel industry. I learn new skills while working in the hotel industry. I help guests find transportation when they need it. I help guests find transportation when they need it.
Thank you, that would be perfect.
Right this way, please. He deals with booking changes and cancellations daily. He deals with booking changes and cancellations daily. I explain hotel policies clearly to new guests. I explain hotel policies clearly to new guests. He works well under pressure during busy seasons. He works well under pressure during busy seasons. I sometimes assist housekeeping staff when needed. I sometimes assist housekeeping staff when needed. He communicates with his team to solve problems efficiently. He communicates with his team to solve problems efficiently. I greet returning guests and remember their preferences. I greet returning guests and remember their preferences.
He checks room availability before confirming reservations. He checks room availability before confirming reservations.
I try to stay calm even when the hotel is very busy. I try to stay calm even when the hotel is very busy. He enjoys helping guests have a pleasant experience. He enjoys helping guests have a pleasant experience. I start my shift early in the morning at the hotel. I start my shift early in the morning at the hotel. He often checks emails from guests and responds quickly. He often checks emails from guests and responds quickly. I handle special requests such as extra pillows or towels. I handle special requests such as extra pillows or towels.
He learns about different cultures from international guests. He learns about different cultures from international guests.
I always smile when I welcome guests to the hotel. I always smile when I welcome guests to the hotel. He manages his time well to complete all tasks. He manages his time well to complete all tasks. I work with my colleagues to improve customer service.
I work with my colleagues to improve customer service.
He checks security cameras to ensure guest safety. He checks security cameras to ensure guest safety. I feel proud to work in a professional hotel environment. I feel proud to work in a professional hotel environment. He supports his coworkers when they need help.
Thank you, that's very helpful.
He supports his coworkers when they need help.
I improve my communication skills by talking to guests daily. I improve my communication skills by talking to guests daily.
He always listens carefully to guest feedback. He always listens carefully to guest feedback. I enjoy working in a dynamic and busy environment. I enjoy working in a dynamic and busy environment. He takes responsibility for solving guest issues quickly. He takes responsibility for solving guest issues quickly. I always try to improve my English while working. I always try to improve my English while working. I often help guests plan their trips around the city. I often help guests plan their trips around the city. He checks all details carefully before confirming bookings. He checks all details carefully before confirming bookings. I feel more confident after working at the hotel for a year. I feel more confident after working at the hotel for a year. He hopes to become a hotel manager in the future. He hopes to become a hotel manager in the future. I arrive at the hotel early to prepare for my shift. I arrive at the hotel early to prepare for my shift. I check the guest list before starting my daily tasks. I check the guest list before starting my daily tasks. He assists visitors with directions around the hotel. He assists visitors with directions around the hotel. I organize room keys and documents at the reception. I organize room keys and documents at the reception. He offers help whenever a guest looks confused or lost. May I assist you with that map, sir? He offers help whenever a guest looks confused or lost. I guide guests to their rooms with clear instructions. I guide guests to their rooms with clear instructions. He updates the booking system throughout the day. He updates the booking system throughout the day. I answer questions about hotel services and facilities. I answer questions about hotel services and facilities. He makes sure guests receive quick and helpful service. He makes sure guests receive quick and helpful service. I take notes when guests give special instructions. I take notes when guests give special instructions.
He handles unexpected situations in a professional manner. He handles unexpected situations in a professional manner.
I double-check reservations to avoid any mistakes. I double-check reservations to avoid any mistakes. I help new employees learn how to work at the hotel.
That sounds important.
I help new employees learn how to work at the hotel.
I'm sure you're great at it.
He prepares reports about daily hotel activities. He prepares reports about daily hotel activities. I greet each guest with a friendly attitude. I greet each guest with a friendly attitude. He ensures that every guest has a pleasant stay.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear.
He ensures that every guest has a pleasant stay.
That's very reassuring. I stay focused even when the reception is crowded. I stay focused even when the reception is crowded.
He works closely with other departments in the hotel. He works closely with other departments in the hotel. I answer emails from guests in a polite way. I answer emails from guests in a polite way. He helps guests solve problems with their rooms. He helps guests solve problems with their rooms. I keep important information updated in the system. I keep important information updated in the system. He shows guests how to use hotel services properly. He shows guests how to use hotel services properly. I prepare the front desk before guests arrive. I prepare the front desk before guests arrive. He welcomes VIP guests with extra attention. He welcomes VIP guests with extra attention. I remind guests about their checkout time politely. I remind guests about their checkout time politely.
I support my manager during busy working hours. I support my manager during busy working hours.
He makes sure all tasks are completed on time. He makes sure all tasks are completed on time. I help guests feel welcome from the first moment. I help guests feel welcome from the first moment. He handles customer feedback in a positive way. He handles customer feedback in a positive way. I check all details before confirming a booking. I check all details before confirming a booking. He communicates clearly with guests from different countries. He communicates clearly with guests from different countries. I take care of guest requests as soon as possible. I take care of guest requests as soon as possible. He manages bookings during peak travel seasons. He manages bookings during peak travel seasons. I maintain a clean and tidy work area. I maintain a clean and tidy work area. He offers useful advice to guests visiting the city. He offers useful advice to guests visiting the city.
I try to stay patient when dealing with complaints. I try to stay patient when dealing with complaints.
He works efficiently to serve many guests at once. He works efficiently to serve many guests at once. I follow hotel rules and procedures carefully. I follow hotel rules and procedures carefully. He checks guest information to ensure accuracy. He checks guest information to ensure accuracy. I learn from my mistakes to improve my performance. I learn from my mistakes to improve my performance. He listens carefully before responding to guests. He listens carefully before responding to guests. I enjoy helping people from different backgrounds. I enjoy helping people from different backgrounds. He keeps a positive attitude during his work. He keeps a positive attitude during his work. I work hard to meet the expectations of guests. I work hard to meet the expectations of guests. He tries to improve service quality every day. He tries to improve service quality every day. I feel satisfied. when guests leave with a smile. I feel satisfied when guests leave with a smile. He hopes to grow his career in the hotel industry. He hopes to grow his career in the hotel industry. Thanks for watching our English learning channel. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And be sure to watch our next video. See you then!